Hi, I'm Alexis Burnett from EarthTreks, inviting you to join us at this series of 3 foraging workshops taking place in spring and summer. These classes can be taken together or as standalone workshops. We will visit new locations and habitats each time and get a chance to see new plants at different stages of growth at every workshop. These workshops are designed to give you first-hand experience using many different edible, medicinal, and utilitarian plants. Utilitarian plants are ones that we use while practicing wilderness living skills, survival, and bushcraft, and making such things as cordage or rope, basketry, plant dyes, and much more. Things we will cover in this workshop include how to use field guides and what constitutes a good book with valid information, how to properly identify plants in the field, learning about poisonous plants and foraging safety tips, how to properly harvest, process, prepare, and eat the plants, using plants as medicine to heal yourself and your family, native versus non-native plants, as well as common versus threatened and endangered species, learning and developing good wildcrafting ethics, land stewardship, and caretaking. These workshops are designed for the beginner to intermediate student, and you will gain valuable experience learning directly from and about the plants in the field. These workshops are very hands-on, and you will spend time harvesting plants and creating an herbal remedy to take home with you. There will also be some handouts available for you to use after the workshop has taken place. By taking part in these experiences, you will begin to build a solid foundation on which to continue your ongoing study of wild plants long into the future. For more information on this workshop, please visit earthtreks.ca, and we hope to see you on one of our next wild foraging adventures.